You have always wanted to start your own blog, be like one of those famous bloggers. These bloggers don't just always write their script 24/7, and here's how they do it. In this video, there are two methods that I want to show you by using ChatGPT to turn your YouTube videos into blog posts, with just a few simple steps that anyone could do it, so you could save some of your time to enjoy that weekend. Let's go. First, you need to add YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude to your Chrome and let it do the magic. Select your wanted YouTube video and copy the transcript that it automatically generates for you. Click on the small box right here and hit copy. I already created a prompt for this one, so you don't need to, and I will leave the prompt in the description below, so feel free to check that out. So after you gave the perfect prompt, this will be the result of the output, a well-written blog that only took 1 minute to come out. So I'd say 10 blog posts a day is doable if you keep it up with this pace. This AI tool will transform your video into a perfectly blog post, and all you need is a YouTube link. Find important points and even make different versions of content like emails or social media posts from your video. So for this method, all you need to do is go into its website and copy a YouTube video that is public. It's only a matter of seconds that it generates a tweet, threads, email newsletters, whichever output that you prefer to let it turn into. All you gotta do left is put your blog post into right categories and add some tags to let a reader know what the post will be about. With these two methods, you don't have to worry if your writing is good enough and having to spend hours writing posts when you can do all that under 5 minutes. If you find this helpful, leave a comment down below so I know that you enjoy watching this, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on AI Fire.